Hey YouTube, thanks for tuning in to another episode of VGAPR Garage. Today we're working on this 2009 Chevy Silverado. So today we're going to be replacing the CV shaft because the boot right here is bad. So first thing we want to do is remove the cap to the lug nut or the wheel nut. And I've already actually tapped it out. You can just take like a flathead and tap it out. Alright, to remove the spindle nut, whatever it's called, you're going to want to use a 36 millimeter. And there is a washer back there. And it is hot, because the customer did just bring the car. Oh, come on. It'd also be a lot easier if I just got the magnet. Alright. Now you want to make sure that the CV shaft will move. And it won't, so let's tap it. Tap. It's not good that it's giving me some trouble. Alright. So now we're also going to be replacing the stabilizer leg. So let's go ahead and move you guys over there. So to be able to remove the CV shaft, you have to remove the stabilizer bar link and the strut. And of course I'm going to show you how. You've got a 15 millimeter nut on the bottom, or bolt, and then a 15 millimeter nut on top. When that doesn't work, we get the 1/2 inch. Come on. There we are. So you want to remove the strut, and to do that you want to take these 3 bolts off, and you can remove them from underneath the hood. I just prefer to do it this way because I'm being lazy. You are 19 millimeter, you will have a brown electrical connection hold down on one of them, and then you just go ahead and take it off. This will take a while because I am using just a wrench, and it would help if I was doing it the correct way. Now, the bottom of the strut has 2 15 millimeter bolts holding it down. Let's go ahead and remove them. Now this strut is free. Push it up and back. There we go. We have not too much in the way. Push the suspension down. There we go. Be careful of your ABS and brake lines. There we go. So now it's time to remove the bolts that hold the CV shaft into the transfer case, and they're 15 mil. Yeah, that was dumb. It's kind of hard with the camera in the way, guys. Hey. Okay. Alright, so now the CV shaft should be free. Should be able to just, yep, get out of the way. There we go. So now we've got the room. This one's being a little tough compared to the other one. There we go. Old one, damaged one is out. Take your time to clean the grease up, of course. Alright, so we got the new shaft, which is from Rock Auto, and it's a heavy-duty CV shaft. So first things first is we want to take carefully the new CV shaft. We want to bring it up and in. And we want to put it in the hub assembly. There we go. Line up the splines, perfect. And then you're going to want to grab one bolt and line up the flanges. There's one. I'm sure my hand's in the way so you can't really see, but that's okay. And then let's go ahead and grab another bolt and we'll do this one down here. And you're just going to want to do that all the way around. And up. So now you're going to want to torque all these bolts down, and to help aid in that, I just put a flathead driver in the hole in the caliper through the brake rotor fins, and that helps it to stay put. So now you want to tighten this bolt down. Then you want to torque it to spec, which is 144 foot-pounds. There we go. You want to install your center cap. Now you want to put your strut assembly back in. Again, when you're putting it in, be mindful of your ABS and brake line. Easier to, I think I actually have it the wrong way. Alright. Actually put a nut on it. Oops. There's one nut. I'll grab that in a second. There we go. Another nut goes back on. Now we want to push the suspension down, and that gets it into place. Then we want to take these two bolts and thread them up through here. So now we're going to assemble the new sway bar link, and this is a Moog part, and it is a heavy duty part, and I don't know if you can see it, but there is a part number right there. Again, Rock Out Oaks, Rock Out Rocks. First things first, put a washer down. And what's really cool is the washers actually fit right inside the bushing. I don't know, that just gets me. Then you're going to want to put another bushing, a washer, make sure it's down in the bushing. And you've got this piece here, and I have the bushing and the washer together in this. I forgot how I did it last time. On the other side. Did I push down the suspension? No, because it didn't want to go, but last time I didn't really have too much of a hard time getting it in. One. Huh. How did I do this last time? Oh, well, because I'm doing it wrong. Like this. There we go. Push it up through, and then the top one goes in like this. Push that down, make sure the screw doesn't go anywhere. And we can start tightening that down. And it's going to take a while. It's got to get tightened down to 18 foot-pounds. So that's how you replace the CV shaft in a Chevy Silverado. I'm pretty sure it's the same in the same vintage of GMC Sierra, Yukon, Tahoe, and Suburban. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, but let me know why. I can't think of anything else. I'm kind of burnt out. It's pretty hot. So clean your tools off, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.